Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is my last thing which I wanted to see today. What do you think, friends? I think this day wasn't lived in vain for me. Well, I wouldn't say it is something huge in terms of existential, ontological, whatever more philosophically, religiously deeper sense of that word. But it was a day filled with quite a good emotions and thoughts. And even it dawned to me recently that even when I don't do much, like we Westerners tend to think that if we don't produce, create, earn, work hard, then we are useless. And this is a useless day which we have spent, and we should feel guilty about that. And I'm nowhere against production, productivity, efficiency, resultativity, whatever you call it. I'm not against that at all. But what dawned to me recently, that even if I work hard, and by the way, working hard is nothing good. Getting result is good. But yeah, what I wanted to say is that even if you haven't built, created, earned something serious in material expression, the question still is, what have you filled this earth, this world with? Was it something positive or negative? Was it something building, uplifting, or destructive? And in that terms, if I am transmitting into this world, can I say, vibrating in that kind of vibration, experiencing that kind of emotions, thinking that kind of thoughts, which are positive, uplifting, and building up, then I am influencing this world in a positive way. And my contribution to this world is definitely net positive, even if I haven't earned any money. Although the money earning doesn't stop with me having one day half off. I was working in the morning, but it was only 1/3 of the day maybe. And probably I'll do something in the evening in airport as well. So, but even let's say if I would take one day completely off, completely, from the morning to the evening, I would do nothing to earn money. Would that be a wasted day? Would I be a worthless parasite in this world? No, not necessarily. Although I have been conditioned to think like that. But no, I don't think it's true. I would be a lot more useless and even negative and destructive even when I make big money. But if I am functioning all day in very negative frequencies, with stress, fear, greed, not enough feeling, angst, anger, all that feeling, of that gamma of feeling, in that case, I would maybe have made 100 or 1,000, doesn't matter, dollars in that day, and contributed to this world in that way. But I would have produced even more negative, heavy, destructive emotions, energy, which I transmitted in this world for the whole day. And it would act for this world the same way as a polluting factory. It maybe produces something, but it emits. It will be closed. Okay, let's go back. But it emits so much pollutants which creates smog, radioactive background and whatnot, that net result of that factory is more damaging and destructive than if it would not be there at all. Even though technically the director of that factory can boast and brag that they are producing, they are creating, they are part of the building mechanism of this world. In the net, I think it's easy to go negative balance that way. And the same way, it's not just about factories, it's about us humans. Each of us, we are like a factory, and we create and emit something all the time. And if we work all day and create some, I don't know, $200 or euros during that day with our work, that's something positive. That goes towards our family, that goes towards the people who will sell something, some goods and services which we will be buying. It goes towards the common good. And it's good for yourself, of course. That's good. But if during creation of those $200, if you have produced huge amounts of negative energy, of fear, greed, scarcity, not enough feeling, fearful about future feeling, stressful about will it work out or not, all those feelings, if you are creating in huge amounts, you can easily go net negative as a factory. Like your contribution, your emissions into this world is more negative than it is positive. It's very easily possible. And if you are experiencing very good, uplifting, faithful, all kinds of emotions, feelings, vibrations, whatever you call them, if you are experiencing and emitting, transmitting into this world, all of those, then you would have to not earn anything and spend recklessly huge amounts to go net negative. You would still be net positive because you have produced so much good and transmitted it all into the outer world for others to enjoy. And that's the reason why it is happening that some places, they always go up. No matter what happens, they always go up, and even in all disasters they are like cats who always land on their feet, not their head. Because people in general in those places vibrate, transmit, I don't know, I don't have the word, in a very positive building way. Yeah, I again went off the tangent thinking about these things, but my idea was that I was kind of looking back on this day as the sun is setting down, enjoying this view, and I was thinking, what was my day like today? And it definitely was net positive day, both for me and also for this world. Like whatever I have created and transmitted into this world today, it's definitely more positive than negative. Even though money-wise I was earning not too much. Well, it is difficult, of course, to measure, but if we can try to measure in those hours when I was working, how much result I gained and how much contribution I made into whatever my business will make. It wasn't too much. But even if it would be nothing, it was a lot more positivity than negativity, which I contributed to this world today. So guys, you're lucky. And I'm lucky. I didn't pollute this world today too much. Tiny bits here and there. But in general, it was good. I don't know, were you able to understand anything of what I was talking about? maybe 2/3 of you will say no. What are you talking about? I don't get it. Okay, never mind, forget about it. Aha, this is exit only sign. It's quite dark, I don't know if you see it. Okay, in any case we did it right. We exited only. But it's so beautiful, my friends, so beautiful. Yeah, on the screen it, as always, it looks like 1/10 of that beauty what I see with my eyes. Again, friends, what can I say about it? Come here yourselves. Come. It cost me €8 from Egypt. And you can get very cheaply to Egypt, if nothing else. Yeah, come here, friends, experience it for yourselves. I definitely think it's worth it. I certainly enjoyed it and still keep enjoying.